Happy Sizzling Valentine's Day, Yesland family! So welcome again to our second Sizzling event this year, 2026.
So I hope as we act, as we feel, as we decide talaga, dito talaga si Yesland, mababago talaga ang buhay ko dito. Alalahanin niyo yun. Not everything that you're experiencing right now is kayo first hand ang gagawa. No. May mga nag-test na nun. Okay?
So simulan na natin. I'm gonna talk about tatlo naman ngayon, SCC. No? Sabihin mga SCC. We're gonna talk about why speed, courage, and consistency will define your success this 2026. Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Ang importante lang, you learn from your mistakes. No? Handa ka bang lumaban para sa mga pangarap pa? Yes? Para sa savings for retirement? Yes? Handa ka bang lumaban para sa mga pinlant ni Lord na pangarap sa puso mo? Marami pa yan eh. Tama ba? So I'd like to thank you today for showing up sa ating second sizzling event. Ganun ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa atin. Minsan pag iniisip ko, paano tayo umabot ng 10 taon? Pagmamahal ng Diyos na ipinapadaan sa atin. Kasi yung love natin, it's not perfect. Tama ba? Pero God's love is perfect.
Stronger families, transforming lives, one home at a time. There's a call to do this mission, to help and serve our nation, to give our best and say our yes into the land of God's riches. In the face of trial, we live by grace. In sizzling fire, our hearts ablaze. Through changing times and seasons, we rise. 'Cause we are one Yesland family. Wherever I believe, together you and me. We'll serve with integrity and creativity, and all we have for God's glory. We are building families, transforming lives, one home at a time.
Buksan mo, papasukin.